Hey guys, thanks for stopping back by my channel, Chef and More. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make salmon croquettes. I've heard these called everything from salmon croquettes, salmon patties, and even salmon burgers. But today, we're calling them salmon croquettes because that's how I know them. Let's get busy. Now we have all of our ingredients here, and guys, you can use fresh salmon, which is always a good thing, or you can use canned. I'm going to use canned salmon today. This is just wild Alaskan pink salmon in a can. All right, other ingredients, we have breadcrumbs. We have some red lobster seafood signature seasoning. I'm going to be using both red and green bell peppers. I have my onions diced up and I'll be adding in an egg. So these are pretty much all the ingredients that we need. First of all, I am going to go ahead and make sure I drain all of the liquid out of here. I've already drained some. I'm going to drain the rest of it because we don't need the liquid. We don't need the liquid. Okay guys, so we're just going to slide this over and slide this over. All right. Okay, so now this has bones in it, and we're going to take those bones out and move this out the way. So we just want to unroll it somewhat, and we'll be able to see the bones. Now the bones are somewhat edible. They are very soft, but if I have big ones in there like these, I like to take them out. So if you miss a few here and there, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I want to get this main bone out of here though. That's the one I'm after. Okay, again, these bones actually disintegrate, guys, but I tend to like to take them out. So I'm taking all of them out like that, and we'll be right back. Now that we have our salmon all separated and pretty much just mashed up, we're going to go ahead and get our green beans chopped up. Now guys, I like to chop mine very fine. And then we're going to saute them just a little bit before we put them actually in our mix to cook. So I'm going to get all of this chopped up real good. Yes, I'm going to come back and get the chunks, guys. I'm going to get these chopped up and we'll be right back. So we are ready to get these veggies sauteed, so I'm going to take a couple of minutes, and what I am actually using here is reserved baking drippings. Yes guys, I saved my baking drippings, and that's what we're going to use to get these sauteed and cooked. Okay, let that get melted. And guys, while we're waiting for our skillet to get hot so we can saute our vegetables, I actually cut up a rib of celery, just a small piece, about that much, but I didn't have it on my cutting board earlier, so just wanted to make sure I got that in and mentioned it to you guys. Okay, let's get busy. Okay, so this should be good and hot right now. Just get these in there. Yes, good sizzle. And it doesn't take these veggies long, 5 minutes or less, guys, 5 minutes or less. Okay, so these are ready to come out. We're going to just take them and put them right in with our salmon. Get them all out of here, guys. So we just want to get all of our ingredients mixed in here, no rhyme or reason. Get this all in here. I'm going to spread just a few of my breadcrumbs on this plate, guys, because as I fix them, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and this will help me be able to pick them up a little bit easier. Sprinkle some of this in. Now, guys, you can use whatever seasoning you want. You might want lemon pepper or something. This is on the little spicy side, but mix in whatever seasonings you want in there. And I don't really need any extra salt in this because this is pretty salty. That's pretty salty. Okay, so let's get this stirred up here. And oh my God, the smell, it is smelling amazing already. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit more in here because I like my stuff a little spicy. All right, delicious. Okay. And after we get our patties formed, guys, we're actually gonna put this in the refrigerator for a few minutes. You can put it in the freezer or the refrigerator. Just let it set for a few minutes. Works better when you're frying them up after they get a little cold. Okay, so we're just gonna take our fingers in here, guys, and make some nice sized patties. Right before we get ready to put them in the refrigerator for a minute, I'm going to dust them with a little flour on both sides. This is going to form a nice crust on them when we fry them up, guys. It's going to be a nice crust. You want to just kind of pat it. You don't want to rub it in, just kind of pat it on top there. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. Okay. So we're going to get these flipped over. Get the other side done. And we'll be back. Okay, our skillet is nice and hot. Let me see, I'm going to tilt it a little bit, make sure my oil is all over there. I would not suggest anybody picking up a cast iron skillet, tilting it like that for the oil unless you have some oven mitts or something, but don't pay any attention to me. So we're going to just go ahead and get these in here. You don't want it up too high. It is fish. It is fish. It will cook quickly. And as I always say, and as with anything, please do not crowd your skillet. So I'm going to just put 4 in here for now. Okay, we'll be back when it's time to turn them over. Okay, so these look like they are ready to turn over. You can tell when they're ready because they start to brown around the edges, guys. So check your edges. We'll start with this one. And yes, I have a spoon and a spatula because they are it's still fish, and until they cook on both sides, they're still tender. So I want to make sure they flip over okay. Yes, look at that, guys. Nice and golden brown. I can't wait. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes. Back down there. Okay, guys, we're going to let these cook on this side and we'll be back. It's time for us to put our second batch in. Okay. Okay, guys, so these are ready to come out. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? Yum. Okay. Delicious. Yes, 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 yes. Awesome, 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 and amazing. Okay, guys, we all know what time it is now. Time for that taste test. Yes. Just gonna get me a piece. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Look at all the color in there. The peppers, the onions, the celery. Oh my goodness. Guys, I don't know what to say. Leave me some comments. Have you had salmon croquette? Do you like it? Do you have salmon patties on your rotation? Guys, this is delicious. Share me out. Subscribe to this channel, guys. I so do enjoy each and every one of you all coming in here and cooking with me. So subscribe so we can come back. Don't forget, tap the bell, guys. That way, every time I upload, you guys will be right here with me. Share me out. Tell everybody you know that Chef and More is over here cooking up easy meals. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.